What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. We're giving you guys an update, and we're also talking about some breaking news that we just discovered. This video is going to be put out on Sunday, and I'm really excited to talk about this news because it could be really big. And it's crazy how we came across this, guys. So this will be an exciting video. I also wanted to say, for full disclosure details, this video has been sponsored by Sovereign Bancorp for TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. This is a sponsored video. Check the description down below for full disclosure details along with reading our disclaimer. And always remember, these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, let's get into this awesome news for TAAT. So as you guys know, we've covered TAAT since their IPO. We've interviewed their CEO, Seti Coscarella, multiple times. He comes from Philip Morris, and they're building a really interesting team. So I want to talk about how the stock has traded over the last little while. And you know, we brought it to you guys under $1. So TAAT has been a winner. And so far, TAAT has been doing some consolidating as of recent. As we can see here, it's looking like it's putting some support in around 250 to 260 with a healthy consolidation pattern. Obviously not financial advice, that's just my simple opinion when it comes to the charts. Now, we're gonna go over some recent news for TAAT in this video, but the first thing that I wanted to say and talk about was the fact that we saw what happened this week with Reddit, GameStop, Wall Street bets. It's been absolutely crazy. The market has been absolutely crazy. But I wanted to bring to your attention one interesting article. So what I wanted to bring up that was so interesting for TAAT, and it's pretty crazy, was the fact that the guy who drove GameStop behind the Reddit mania, you know, he did an interview, he talked to the Wall Street Journal on the Wall Street Bets forum, helped turn investing world upside down, said he didn't expect this. Let's talk about a really interesting image that was included within this article. So you guys can simply look up this article, Keith Gill, the Wall Street Journal. And we see here, we'll put it up on screen for you guys. There's a picture that they took. They took a picture of what appears to be his watch list. We're gonna zoom in a little bit on that picture. And what do we see there, guys? We see TAAT, TAAT.cn, or on the other side, we see TOBAF, which is TAAT's ticker in Canada on the CSE, and TAAT's ticker on the OTC, TOBAF, which is TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. In this day and age with, you know, the markets moving like this and, you know, stocks gaining traction on social media, I wanted to put that out there because we noticed that in the TAAT community. You know, I've done multiple videos for TAAT, and when we saw this, we were like, holy smokes, you know, what is going to happen? So it's going to be interesting to see how TAAT trades on Monday, you know, if he has any plans for TAAT. Clearly, TAAT was on his watch list for some reason. It was one of the first stocks that we can see that he's written down. So it's clearly on his watch list, and, you know, it could be on Wall Street Bets watch list, which is pretty wild to see. So that was one very significant thing that I wanted to point out. And I wanted to drop this video on Sundays just so that we could all, you know, take a look at this. So I also want to talk about some other recent news from TAAT, but that was the main point I wanted to make in this video. And that's why I wanted to do an update on TAAT, because the whole community was talking about it. And it's crazy. But nowadays, things like this, you spot them and then you're just like, holy smokes, what's going on here? So further giving an update on TAAT, of course, there's trytaatusa.com. And a lot of people have said they've tried it and it's pretty awesome. There's also TAAT's website, so taatglobal.com. You can see all about the company, multiple interviews with Seti Coscarella, and they've got tons of news for you guys to take a look at. But I also wanted to say, you know, we've got some recent news. So 60% of tobacco retailers who have carried TAAT for 3 weeks or more have placed reorders. So it's nice to know people are reordering. TAAT's pleased to announce that after TAAT became available to purchase at tobacco retail stores in Ohio, which was the first state that they launched in, approximately 60% of retailers who have carried TAAT for 3 or more weeks have reordered at least once, with several reorders being for a greater quantity than the first. So that's an update on their rollout. 10,442 screens. TAAT begins statewide video advertisement campaign on pump displays at 1,087 gas stations in Ohio. TAAT is pleased to announce that as part of its continued launch initiatives for TAAT, the company has procured a 60-day video advertisement slot across a network of gasoline pump displays consisting of 10,442 screens across 1,087 chain and independent gas stations in Ohio. And then last but not least, one quick article from baystreet.ca. So this could be a game changer for millions of smokers all over the world. One such company, TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness, may have the solution many of them are looking for. In fact, it's already delivering cigarettes with no tobacco, no nicotine, and offering a better option for millions of smokers. Not only is it doing it at less cost, it's not removing the taste or the smell of tobacco at all. So, as we know, TAAT makes hemp cigarettes. They're trying to change the world for the better, help people get off smoking and, have a healthy alternative. So anyways, guys, this was a quick update. I want to wrap up this video, but I just want to say, that's pretty crazy that TAAT was on Keith Gill's watch list. The fact that we know what happened with GameStop, we know what happened with all those other stocks. Could TAAT be the next stock that goes up like crazy? There's totally a possibility, and I wanted to, just let you guys know. The picture's there. It speaks for itself. TAAT was clearly on his watch list. It's all over the Wall Street Journal, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens on Monday. Definitely, I'm going to be watching it, and we'll be talking about it in our market minutes. We'll see how TAAT trades on Monday. And anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please always remember this video was sponsored by Sovereign Bancorp for TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. And always remember, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your own research, you've done your own due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.